Get excited and get ready for a capability demonstration by the world's most technologically advanced 5th generation fighter, the F-35A Lightning II by the DCS F-35 Demo Team. The team commander and pilot of today's flight is Brian Pepper Davis. The F-35 you're about to see is a supersonic, 9G capable multi-role aircraft that combines cutting-edge stealth with the most advanced avionic systems of any fighter aircraft in history. These capabilities allow F-35 pilots to penetrate the most hostile areas of the world. The F-35 gives the United States Air Force the power to dominate the skies, anytime, anywhere. Designed to provide the pilot with unsurpassed situational awareness, positive target identification, and precise strike capabilities. The F-35 is the future of the Air Force aviation. While you won't see everything that makes the F-35A Lightning II the most technologically advanced stealth fighter in the world, you will witness its raw power. It's time to get ready. We present the newest and most technologically advanced 5th generation fighter aircraft in the world.
There's a new cat in town, he's got high-paid friends. Thinks he's gonna change history. You think you know him so well, yeah, you think he's so swell, but it's just perpetuating prophecy.
Your DCS F-35 Demo Team's official captain, Pepper, is now setting up for the first aerobatic maneuver. Pepper will execute a half-Cuban 8 at a stunning 50-degree angle of attack. This is a first-of-its-kind maneuver unique to the F-35A Demo Team with an internal payload capacity of over 6,000 pounds. The F-35 is the most lethal multi-role fighter jet in the world. If you've ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. Possesses the capability to reach speed 1.6 times the speed of sound, nearly 1,200 miles per hour. Watch as Pepper accelerates to just below the speed of sound, covering an incredible 3 football fields per second. He will then pull back on the stick and catapult the Lightning II from 300 feet to over 3 miles. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for freedom's thunder on the high-speed pass. Combat maneuverability is crucial. The Lightning II's advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engine gives the F-35 an impressive 1,500-foot turn radius. As Pepper approaches show center, he will light the afterburner and bank sharply, pressing him into the seat with up to 9 Gs or 9 times the force of gravity. After completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight up into the vertical, then quickly change direction, flipping end over end in a maneuver we call the Lightning Loop. The Lightning II's combat radius turn. position in preparation for the dedication pass. Pepper and the rest of the DCS F-35 Demo Team wish to dedicate this pass to all the men and women in all the branches of the United States Armed Forces and their families who are so bravely fighting in today's joint fight. They would also like to remember our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance, and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture this salute. Pepper will now demonstrate the F-35's crisp agility and handling. Notice that as he makes his approach, he is in the inverted position. As he reaches show center, he will complete a 360-degree roll and finish the pass inverted. This is known as the inverted to inverted pass. F-35 possesses the incredible ability to point its nose at will in a dogfight. Watch closely as the jet climbs to more than a mile into the sky, into a vertical, and completes the lightning loop. And then Pepper will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Here comes the Lightning 2 pedal turn. Show center and executes a 7G pull into the vertical, and then climbs 3,000 feet. He will then execute a 90-degree turn and sustain inverted flight back across show center, where he will then turn and point his aircraft straight at the ground. Finally, Pepper will pull back on the stick and return the aircraft to level flight to complete the square. Coming in now, the F-35 performing the unique square loop. Slow-speed flight is crucial in combat. The potent combination of sophisticated flight controls coupled with the most powerful fighter jet ever built makes it possible to reduce the F-35 speed to less than 100 knots. Coming in now, Pepper will demonstrate the F-35A Demo Team's slow-speed capability. And then just as he approaches show center, you will once again feel the raw power of the engine as he lights the afterburner and accelerates the aircraft into a near vertical climb.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, hello, meet again, boom. Ding dong, ding dong, shalang, lang, lang. Oh, 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 pip. I don't know, but then, oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
reaches the peak of his climb, he will go inverted and reposition the aircraft by performing a split S maneuver. As he returns to the show center, he will then accelerate rapidly and snap the F-35 through a series of aileron rolls to demonstrate the Lightning II's impressive roll maneuverability. Dropping in now, Pepper is executing the opposing rolls.
I'll be praying for the thickness, and if you lose, boo-hoo. Hey, look, ma, I made it. Hey, look, ma, I made it.
As the most technologically advanced fighter aircraft in the world, the F-35's flight controls gives their pilot a distinct advantage to outmaneuver their opponent. As Pepper approaches show center, he will complete more than 135 degrees of heading change in just 3 seconds, slide the tail of the F-35 through the turn, and then powerfully climb out of the maneuver. In honor of the first F-35 demonstration team's commander, Major Andrew Dojo Olston, and the designer of the move, prepare yourselves for what we call the Dojo Drift.
Shut down your flame to the fire. It's spraying like your name on a flyer. They wanna tame your desire, but you light it up, now your aim getting higher. I dey wait for Messiah, but until that day I'ma rise up high. I put my light in the air, I wanna see everywhere. Now you wanna let me see you. Right you wanna see you. Be my people, my people. I know say I'm out in the next level, they buy. Teach your lighters, I wanna see you.